In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a heart snowflake. Hi friends, welcome back to So Obvious. I'm Apollinar. So we have a little over a week left in January, which means that February is coming up and soon enough, Valentine's Day. So a lot of people are going to be looking for arts and crafts that they can do for Valentine's Day. I've recently gotten to this snowflake cake. I really don't know what kicked it, but I researched it a little bit and I found out that there's ways for you to make snowflakes out of hearts. It looks really cool. It's really simple. All you're gonna need is 2 pieces of paper in 2 different colors, some scissors, and if you're not very good at drawing hearts, then you can either print off a stencil or you can have a pencil so you can sketch it out before you cut it out. Or if you're like me, you can just cut it out on a whim like a reckless piece of trash. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you're going to take the piece of paper that you're going to make the heart out of and fold it in half. Now this is where if you are not good at drawing hearts or cutting them out, you can put a stencil, you can draw it beforehand, or like I said, if you're garbage like me, you just go for it. That looks like a heart. Now that we have it, we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it so it meets with this one. Now we're going to turn this over and we're going to take this line and line it up with this line. Now is where we start cutting. Now you can cut wherever you want, you can cut whatever shape you want. I'm going to try and do like mini hearts. So here's what it looks like before I unfold it. Now you unfold it. And the hard part's done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our other piece of paper. We're going to turn our snowflake over whichever side you want because they're honestly the same. And we're going to put glue on it so we can lay it on top of the other color. These make great decorations for if you're having a Valentine's Day party. There is your heart snowflake. Now one thing that I do at work is whenever my residents make anything with a heart, I always have them write their name and then somewhere else they have to write something they love. So I could put, my name's Apollinar and I like money and free stuff. You know, whatever you love. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram on @apollylook. There, I post any projects I'm working on and any upcoming videos that I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like today's video, then I'm going to assume it's because you don't have a heart. So you should follow the instructions so you can at least have a paper heart. Okay, bye.